Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Also make sure you guys are following me on all my social media sites, and thanks so much for watching this video. Anyways, with that being said, in today's episode we will be trying Bella Thorne's skincare routine. So I noticed that everyone is like reviewing her skincare routine. I've seen two videos, one from a girl, I forgot the name of her channel, my bad, I forgot, but she had like blonde and a ponytail and she was really shocked. And the other channel that did it was Mixed Makeup. So I said, you know what, they reacted to it, I might as well try the skincare routine, because I try a lot of celebrity skincare routines on this channel, and I said, why not try Bella Thorne's? Anyways, I want to say this first, because some of y'all are a little sensitive for YouTube. For me, you know, I am a really chill, laid back, funny, quirky kind of girl. So I want to say this is just going to be a video where we're meant to have fun. Just a little harmless fun, okay? There's no, please, some of y'all really be taking me seriously sometimes, and I don't know if that's good or bad. I also understand that skincare is personal to everyone. So, you know, Bella Thorne's skincare regimen may not be for you. It may not be for other people. Skincare is very personal, so I'm not really here to judge. I'm just here to do. Side note, I'm all for natural skincare. So, you know, Bella, I have 50 million videos on how to make facial scrubs, body scrubs. Okay, so the first thing Bella uses is this sort of lemon olive oil sugar mixture. Okay, so I already applied a chemical exfoliation last week on my skin, so I'm not really about to go ahead and apply the lemon to the scrub. So what I am going to do, this is going to be a Bella Thorne half of a mixture. I'm going to go ahead and use sugar, brown sugar. And the reason why is brown sugar is just a little bit gentler for your face than regular granulated sugar. I see nothing wrong with using sugar, raw sugar as a scrub, but I'm just going to go ahead and use brown sugar. So I have some brown sugar, you know, the cheap version of brown sugar. So I'm going to add it. She did add olive oil, so I'm gonna add some olive oil. I am using the good olive oil. So, you know, not all olive oil is real out here. Some people are faking the olive oil. So y'all need to know the real olive. This is the good stuff. That other stuff at the store is fake. I always get this brand because it's real olive oil. Some of them be faking it. What's that, the name of that company? There was like an investigation on real olive oil that this guy did in the New York Times, and I read it and I was like, I'm never using fake olive oil ever again. So I always use the real stuff. Unless I'm doing a soap video, then I use Great Value. But don't judge me. Don't you judge me for using fake olive oil to make my soaps, okay? With that being said, so yeah, I'm not gonna go put lemon in this scrub. I'm not gonna use lemon. I ain't doing that to my skin. Now, she is adding water to it. My only issue with the water is, Bella Thorne, are you trying to create like fungus? She's adding water. You're not supposed to add water. She said it dried up and she started adding water. Bella did adding water to the face, girl. I'm not gonna, Bella, that's your skincare routine. Girl, so let's just put this on her face. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, y'all see, ooh, I'm already raising. Girl, Bella did everything. Ooh, Bella, girl, you know, okay, so here we go. Oh, okay. You know, I'm not going to talk about Bella Thorne's skincare routine at all due to the fact that her skin looks way better than it used to look. Y'all remember Bella's skincare back in the day when it used to look like this? Girl, her skin has came a long way. I don't know if she got makeup on, but clearly she didn't have makeup on. I don't know. Her skin looks really good now, so she's doing something right here. I'll just go ahead and put all this on my face. There we go. That's how Bella does it. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, Bella. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this. This feels really good. Oh, it tastes, she did taste it. Let me taste it. Ooh. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. I'm going to go ahead and dry my face. My face is dry. I do feel that I'm a bit oily, and she has oily skin, so I don't know how this facial scrub is helping her. She should have used like a scrub with jojoba oil. Bella, jojoba oil, girl. Jojoba oil is way better than olive oil for people with oily skin. So that is a tip. If you decide to use Bella, how you gonna come out with a skincare line with this video, girl? You know what? Let's just go into the next video. Let's just go into the next part of this video. Okay, so the next thing she does is she uses a coconut and honey mask. Y'all know those is one of my favorite masks to use, is a coconut and honey mask. It really does help with glowing skin. I'm telling you right now, I actually have a video. I am going to leave a clip of a coconut and honey mask. There is nothing wrong with putting coconut oil on your skin. So whoever tells you don't put coconut oil on your skin, something is wrong with them. The issue is when you're using coconut oil, it depends on your skin type. If you have oily skin, you can use coconut oil maybe once a week, not a lot. So, you know, if you got oily skin, I don't want you sitting there using coconut oil all the time, but it is wonderful for the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this good coconut oil out with my daughter's spoon. So there we go. I used about a tablespoon. I'm gonna just cover it up with honey. Come through, Bella. You want to say this. Girl, Bella trying to be all natural, but she got jewelry. She like, I'm so confused. How you have a natural skincare routine, but you like decked out in jewelry? Okay, I'm excited for this honey coconut oil mask. Let me see what else she puts in it. Oh my God, she added cherries. I don't have no cherries. Bella, why you add cherries to a honey coconut oil mask? You was fine with the honey and the coconut oil. Where did you get the cherries from? So I'm gonna just go ahead and use some strawberries here. I'm gonna mix one up. She did put it on her lips, and she said it made her lips look colored. So I'm gonna try that. Ooh, the blacker the berry, this berry is good. I'm gonna put this. You guys, so this is the mask, and I'm about to apply this to my face. I'm actually quite scared because I've never put like cherries or fruit in a mask, but she said it's supposed to be soothing. So you know what, well, she used her hand, but I'm gonna try to use not my hand. But oh my God, this is just a mess. Bella, you was fine without the cherries, girl. Okay, so, oh my God, it's melting, y'all. It's melting. Oh my God, Bella, what did you do to me? Okay, so how long is supposed to sit on your face? Okay, you know I'm gonna apply this mask and see how long it's supposed to sit on my face, y'all, because I don't know what's going on. I'm so confused. Oh my God, Bella, why? Okay, y'all, so apparently Bella doesn't leave this on her face for any time. She just puts it on and then wipe it off. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wipe this catastrophe off my face real quick, because this then went all the way left. She's added so much sugar to her face. Oh my God, it's in my eye. I gotta go, y'all. So I finally rinsed the strawberry honey coconut oil facial mask off my face, and I'm just gonna dry my face. Okay, so I just looked at the rest of the video. Apparently she doesn't add any moisturizer, but I know why, girl. You didn't add it coconut oil, olive oil, every oil. You don't need a moisturizer, Bella. She don't need a moisturizer after she didn't add every oil to her skin. Side note, I do want to say this. I'm gonna have to give it to Bella as a positive. My skin feels so baby smooth and soft. You guys, look at this. Look at that glow. Oh my God. Now, that was what I did. So I added brown sugar to olive oil. I didn't add no lemon. So don't add no lemon. So if you don't want to do her skincare routine and you see my video, I suggest you follow my video. And then I do have a coconut oil honey mask on the channel. However, I will say the strawberries or cherries weren't needed, but my skin feels good. I'm gonna have to give it to Bella. I like the skincare routine. I don't know about all the under eye. I wouldn't treat my under eye area like she does. The under eye area is very thin. Other than that, my skin looks really good. It's really hydrated. I've been stressing a lot because my bathroom isn't done and I'm tired of taking showers in sinks and I'm tired of being outside. And I'm just happy, you know, I'm about to go and get a gym membership so I could just take a shower because my bathroom isn't done, you know. So it makes me so happy that my skin after this looks much better than it did because I was really stressing. I'm going to rate her skincare a 3 out of 5. I don't know what everyone was talking about. I like it. But I'm into natural skincare like that. I love buying skincare, but I'm into like natural skincare. I have a lot of natural skincare recipes on this channel, on my old channel before I moved to this channel. I just have a lot of skincare recipes that are dedicated to natural using turmeric powder. So I'm really into that stuff. So I see nothing wrong with this. However, I do recommend if you are going to be traveling the world and adding water and sugar and oil and lemon to a container, girl, get you some preservatives. Lord knows how much mold and black mold you didn't add it to that stuff. I feel bad for her assistant. He has to dip his hands in there. All his hands been in that container. That is so nasty. But oh my God, I'm gonna go ahead and give it. I like it. I don't know what everyone is like mad at it for. It's not that bad. I guess it's just because she has like chains on. I don't know what's going on in this video. Something is wrong with Bella. I think she's trolling, but I like the skincare routine. But my version, I did edit the version, so I like the version I did. With that being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling. Let me know in the comments down below, have y'all seen Bella Thorne's skincare routine? Would you try it? Are y'all gonna buy from her skincare line? I don't know. She was a Neutrogena girl. Y'all remember when she was with Neutrogena? So she has tried a lot when it comes to skincare. She's really not talking. She's did a lot in the skincare. She used to be with Neutrogena. Then she did Dr. Lancer. She's done a lot of skincare. So apparently this is what's working for her because her acne used to be a mess, y'all. Anyways, you guys, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.